Good morning, student. Continuation with chapter number 2. Today we are going to discuss about the ego defense mechanism given by Sigmund Freud. Now, according to Sigmund Freud, he believed that human behavior reflect an attempt to deal or escape from anxiety. So these defense mechanisms are used in order to escape from anxiety. As you know, when people suffer from anxiety, they go through a unexplained feeling, and sometimes the metabolism rate is also high. So in order to keep themselves away from anxiety, these defense mechanisms are used. Although the use of these defense mechanisms are normal and adapted, but in some situations people also get adjusted towards an maladjustment by using this defense mechanism. So Sigmund Freud has explained 5 different types of defense mechanism, that are repression, projection, denial, reaction formation, and rationalization. Now first defense mechanism, that is repression, in which anxiety provoking behavior or thoughts are totally dismissed by unconscious. This means when a feeling is hidden and forced from the consciousness to the unconsciousness because it is seen as socially unacceptable. So children, the feeling which have the unpleasant consequence on one's behavior and overall functioning. So people try to use repression so that they become unaware of one's situation, which is not pleasant for an individual. Now second they have talked about is projection. Now in projection, what happened, people tries to attribute their own trait to others. This means a person who has a strong aggressive tendency, he may also see other people as acting excessively aggressive towards her or him. The third defense mechanism is denial. A person totally refuses to accept reality. For example, someone suffering from HIV/AIDS may altogether deny her or his illness. So children, the people who suffer from anxiety, sometimes they use denial because they do not accept the reality, and that reality has an unpleasant consequence on human being. Now fourth defense mechanism, that is reaction formation. A person defends against anxiety by adopting behavior opposite to her or his true feeling. It means he goes against his feeling and try to engage in such activities which are not of his desires or wishes. For example, a person with sexual urges who channels her or his energy into religious favor present a classical example of reaction formation. Now this example state that when a person want to engage in sexual urges, but he knows that sexual urges are not correct, are not acceptable by the society, so he tries to keep himself busy by engaging himself in other activities. So people in reaction formation, people goes against their own feeling or desires. Now in rationalization, another defense mechanism, a person tries to make unreasonable feeling or behavior that seem reasonable and acceptable. Now for example, when a student buys a set of pens, after doing poorly in an examination, he or may try to rationalize her or his behavior by asserting, I will do much better with these pens. Children, as we have discussed about the 5 different types of defense mechanism that has been given by Sigmund Freud, so people try to use this defense mechanism as they do not want to suffer from the discomfort feeling of anxiety, which is unpleasant for an individual. So children, kindly make a note of this in your notebook.